going on, guys? I'm Darian with DJ Customs. I got something a little special for you guys. We're working on a 1979 AMC Jeep CJ5. This Jeep is a little bit special to me. It was actually at my grandparents' cabin since 1998, and it is rough. It runs beautifully. It's like a freaking tank, but the body is a little bit rough. So what we ended up doing is we went over to a guy over in Burton, Michigan. He had a body that was in a little bit better condition. The floor was real nice on it. So we've ended up picking that up from him for $300. So you can't really beat that. But we're gonna get to going on this thing. I hope you guys enjoy this whole series of videos that we're gonna be putting out. We're gonna be learning a whole bunch of new stuff. I don't really know how to weld. I don't really know how to cut. I don't really know how to fabricate any metal, but in this video we're gonna be doing a lot of that. So I'm gonna have to learn. But I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. And I'm excited for this little adventure we're gonna go on together. So let's get into it. There's a nice little hole. To get this cut out, I got a hole right here. There's a hole in the floor right there. There's a hole right there. Locked, so that's cool. I don't know why it isn't. That's cool. Yikes. That's pretty secure. Just throw that cart right under there and lower her down. Lower her down. All right, so I successfully and safely set this thing down on the rack. It is super sturdy. It's not really going anywhere. I like that. Safe and secure. But I think I'm gonna lower it down in the front because it's like fucking Carolina squatting right now. And nobody's about that shit. So I'm gonna do that. And then we can get back to working on this thing. That'll work. So I meant to do that. That'll work though. That's perfect. Right where I want it. Let's get going. This was like a part of the little support in the back. It's all rusted out, so I had to figure something out for that. And this is the panel. I'll have to straighten this out, make a little template for it. Cool. Over here, I got some metal. I just took this, laid this on there. This is the front, this side here. Labeled it, see, front. And I'm just gonna cut on the outside of this black, and hopefully it works. So let's go. All right, now I got my foot cut out. Hopefully that works. We'll match it up right now. I think that's gonna work. Cool. All right, so I got her tacked in there. It's a little oversized, but that's all right. I'm just gonna bevel this edge right here, take that down so that sits flush. The bottom's pretty tacked in. I got a nice hole there to fill. Yeah, I'm just blowing holes through this thing. First day on welding job, I guess. Literally doing my best. Fucking Duraglass this boy. All said and done. But yeah, let's go. Straight. Got her all welded up, patched in. I think I got all like the pinholes filled and all that bullshit. But now it's time to get her all grinded down.
Found some more rust.
All right, it's time to call her a night, but I got a little bit of work done today on this boy. So finished up this. It's wavy as all fuck, but I'm gonna get her pounded down, hopefully straightened out. And I cut this out. There's some, I just kind of was tapping here for some reason, and my hammer went through it, so I'm gonna end up going around this whole thing and kind of trying to figure out what needs to be replaced. There's two little holes right here, so I just cut that out. I'll have to make that tomorrow. I cut this little this piece out here. There was a pretty big size hole right here, so that's what she looks like now. All right, guys, so it's come time to end this video. I want to kind of keep these short and sweet so they're not too long, don't take up too much of your time. But I just want to say I have learned so much working on this Jeep for the last week or whatever, however long. I've been learning how to weld, grind, cut, all that good stuff. But it's pretty cool. Next video, we're going to be cutting out the old quarter panels. Those are rotted right out. So we're cutting those out, welding new ones in. I did have patch panels for those pieces, but turns out they're not going to work because they're for a CJ7. I thought the rear end of a CJ7 and a CJ5 were going to be real similar, but they're not at all. So we're going to get that done. Make sure you guys stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys. Peace.